Welcome to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you've tuned in today because we're diving into a unique product designed to help you combat those pesky split ends. Whether you're dealing with frizzy, curly, or straight hair, this could be the solution you've been looking for. Today, we're reviewing the Split Ender Pro 2, the original cordless split end hair trimmer. Let's take a closer look at what this product has to offer. The Split Ender Pro 2 is a 2-in-1 hair tool designed to trim and reduce split ends without the need for harsh chemicals or treatments. It's specifically made for dry, damaged, and brittle hair, which often suffers from the effects of heat styling, coloring, and chemical treatments. This tool promises to restore softness and a natural shine to your hair by trimming away broken and split ends with ease. The device is rechargeable and can be used both plugged in and wirelessly, offering convenience for at-home use. It also includes a trim setting of 1/4 inch, a cleaning brush, and a carrying bag for easy storage. Now, let's talk about the real-world usage. I've been using the Split Ender Pro 2 for a while now to see if it really delivers on its promises. First off, it's super easy to set up. Just charge it for a few hours and you're good to go. One thing to note, the device works best on hair that's at least chin length. For those with frizzier hair textures, like curly hair, a flat iron is recommended before using it for the smoothest results. In my testing, I focused on trimming a few sections of hair that I knew had some serious split ends. The process was pretty straightforward. You simply place small strands of hair into the device, and the trimmer automatically trims the split ends. The results were noticeable right away. My hair felt smoother, and there was less visible damage. However, if you're hoping for a super dramatic difference, this tool may not be a miracle worker. It definitely helps reduce visible splits, but it doesn't completely heal severely damaged hair. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Pros: it's easy to use and doesn't require a professional stylist. The cordless, rechargeable design makes it convenient for home use. It's effective at reducing split ends and making hair feel softer and shinier. The device is lightweight and portable, which is great for on-the-go maintenance. Cons: the results might not be dramatic for people with extremely damaged hair. It works best for regular maintenance. You need to flat iron curly or frizzy hair for optimal results, which adds an extra step. The price point might be a bit higher for those who only need occasional touch-ups. When considering the value for money, this tool seems to fit the bill for those looking for an easy, at-home way to maintain healthy hair. It's definitely worth it if you're someone who's committed to hair care and wants to avoid expensive salon visits. However, if you're just dealing with a few split ends here and there, you may find cheaper alternatives for similar results. Compared to other split end trimmers on the market, the Split Ender Pro 2 holds its own in terms of ease of use and performance, but some alternatives might offer a similar performance at a lower cost, especially if you only need it for touch-ups every so often. As for build quality, the materials feel solid, and the device seems durable enough for regular use. I didn't experience any issues with it during my testing, but keep in mind that if you're not gentle with it, like any delicate tool, it could wear down over time. I didn't interact with customer service directly, but the 1-year warranty is a nice touch, offering peace of mind for buyers. This device is marketed as a great gift, and with its sleek design and functionality, it certainly fits that mold. So, is this Split Ender Pro 2 worth it? If you're someone with dry, damaged hair looking for an easy-to-use tool to maintain and reduce split ends, it's definitely a product to consider. It's not going to fix severely damaged hair overnight, but it can help with regular upkeep. If you're someone who regularly styles your hair or uses heat treatments, this could be a great addition to your beauty routine. Before we wrap up, if you found this review helpful, please give it a like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other hair care enthusiasts can find this video too. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you're curious or already own the Split Ender Pro 2, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And until next time, stay fabulous and keep those split ends in check. Catch you later, beautiful people.